Welcome to Recraft Fundamentals. Today we'll show you one easy way to create beauty mockups like this using Recraft, and it takes just a couple of minutes. Let's say you've got a reference image you love and want more mockups in the same style. Save that reference, open a new project, and click the Style button. Here you can set up a custom style simply by uploading your reference image. You can also include extra details in this field, like water around the product or a specific camera angle. For this demo, we'll keep it simple and use the reference as is. Save the style, give it a name, and start generating more variations in the same aesthetic. To generate, just pick your new style in My Styles and try it out. Write a detailed prompt, the more specific the better, and see what you get. Let's try a cream jar next. Notice the rich cream texture and how consistent the images are within this style. When you're ready to add branding, simply pick the image you like, click the mockup button on the top bar, and your design is ready for customization. Drag and drop your logo or label, resize, rotate, and position it. If you need a quick cleanup, use the mask tool to erase anything extra. And here's a little bonus. We've prepared a project with all the styles and prompts you see in this video. To try them yourself, open the project from the link in the description. Sign in if you're not already. Click Copy to My Projects, and you're set. It's now your project. Test more prompts in the same styles or save the styles to reuse later. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We share practical tips and tricks to get the most out of Recraft.